Meaning of destiny.
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 Destiny. Destiny refers to the idea that events are predetermined and inevitable, often attributed to a divine power or fate. The concept suggests that our lives follow a predetermined path, with certain events and outcomes that we cannot control. This can manifest in different ways, such as through the notion of karma or a person's calling in life. Ultimately, the result of believing in destiny is a sense of acceptance and surrender to the course of one's life, and a willingness to embrace whatever comes next.